You know you're getting bored in your quarantine when you start organizing your soldering supplies, right? Hey, what's happening, guys? Today we've got the new Super Learning Kit for Arduino made by Key Studio. It comes in a nice plastic case. Got a book here telling us everything that is included, which we're going to go over, so we're not going to do that. Introduction, how to connect up some stuffs. Oh, it even tells you what kind of a waveform you can look for. Pretty nice. Tilt switch, temperature. Yeah, nice little book. And as you can see here, you can download any code and watch a video on it. So that's pretty cool. There's our box. And inside, another list of all the components we get. Oh, that's a decal. Very nice for learning your resistor codes. So, let's see what's in the box. First up is our Arduino. And it is using the DIP package. There's also Arduinos that use the SMD. I have noticed no difference in performance in them, so it doesn't matter. But it's standard, you know, knockoff Arduino. Nice. Ah, get in there. Get in there. Alright, next we have a 16x2 LCD. And it is not I2C, it is many wires you will have to put together. Header pins. Some 7-segment LEDs, along with an 8x8 matrix. And it has the SN74HC595, so that is a shift register. Buttons and caps. We've got an IR sensor, or that might be the emitter. That might be the sensor. We've got some light-sensitive resistors, a tilt switch. That's probably a Hall sensor. Selection of 5mm LEDs. And a selection of probably 1/8 watt resistors. And what's nice is this all came in this first tray up here. So we can certainly put everything back. Now, down below, we have our second level. So what have we got here? I have to look that up. I can't quite see what it says. Okay. That is a stepper motor driver. Nice. DS3231, that's a real-time clock module. There is a motion sensor module. Moisture sensor. Relay. Joystick. IR remote. USB cable. Sonar distance sensor. RFID receiver with a card and a key fob. That is an accelerometer. DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. Let's see what flavor of gas sensor that is. This says analog gas sensor. We've got a nice 6 battery holder. There's our stepper motor that will go with the driver. Some DuPont cables, some more cables, a servo, and a nice 800-point solderless breadboard. All in all, I think this is a pretty decent kit. It is lacking in a couple features. I mean, if you're just getting started. If you've been playing around for a while, you probably have stuff, so it's no big deal. If you're getting started, this is the only potentiometer included, and there is no rotary encoder included. So I do find that to be lacking, but otherwise this seems to be a really nice kit. So this kit was sent out to us free of charge for our consideration by Elephant J, which is a online store. And I want to thank them very much. And I want to thank you guys for watching by sending this kit to one of you. If you are in the United States, I'll send it to you for free. If you're outside the United States, you pay the shipping. So let's go. Today is April 6th. My mother's birthday is April the 18th. So we'll let this contest run until April the 18th. All you have to do is comment down below, and I will pick somebody, contact you, you'll send me your information, and we'll go from there. On April the 18th, we'll do a random thing. Okay? Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video of the Key Studio Arduino Super Learning Kit. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons, big thanks to Elephant J, and a big thanks to you for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace. I want to thank you all for watching and spending time with me today. A community like this is something that we can all be very proud of. So again, thank you very much for all your support of Learn Electronics. Please feel free to check out the Patreon page. $1 a month is all I ask, and really helps keep the channel alive. We also have an Amazon shop where you can buy most of the items that you see on here, and there's a link to it down below.